Inside the box, you'll find a Tapo C200 camera. So I was expecting it to be heavy, but it's lighter. And this is the camera lens and the LED. So if you notice that there is no power button, it's a plug-and-play device. This is the rotating base where the camera can move 360 degrees. This is the speaker for our audio, where you can communicate to each other. Design-wise, smooth finish. I think it's a good product. And if you rotate the camera upwards, you will notice two components here. The first one is for the reset button. We will do this later. We need to reset the camera to its default settings so we can configure afterwards. And the second one is the micro SD slot. This is where we insert our SD card to save our recordings. Overall, if I have to rate 1 to 5, I'll give it a 5. Okay, so the next one is the quick start guide. Inside you will know how or where to download the application, meaning of the LED indication, or the meaning of the colors, the power up, the setup, the mounting kit, how to install the screws, and so on. So the third part of the box is these mounting screws, mounting template, and the camera base. This is used to put on the camera on top or above the ceiling, or if you want the camera not to move, to be stabilized, then this is the part you need to install. I have here a micro SD card. This is a 32 GB SanDisk. It's a free giveaway when I purchase online. Well, you can use any brand for the micro SD card up to 120 GB. Don't worry about the FAT32 format. We can format that later on the app. Not included in the box, sold separately. So the last one is the DC power adapter. I managed to measure the length of the cable is approximately 3 meters or 10 feet. Alright, so this is the complete set for the Tapo C200. Number 2 on our list is the setup. Plug DC power adapter. Notice that it has a solid red. It means it's starting up. Now the camera is having a blinking green. It means the camera is updating. Doing pan tilt correction for the horizontal and vertical movement. What the camera is doing is the pan movement, horizontal, and the tilt movement is the vertical. So the blinking of the red and green, it means it's ready for setup. Keep in mind that this is very crucial that you reset any device to its default. This will clean any previous configuration to start fresh. So press and hold for 5 seconds. Okay, and that should do it. Alright, so you notice that it's blinking red like just before, so it's starting up again. So the next one is the application. You can download the app. If you're using Android, go to Google Play, App Store for iPhone, or just scan the QR code. Okay, so I'm using iPhone. Just press App Store, search or type Tapo app. Once done, open the application. Okay, so just follow instructions if you want to read the privacy and terms. And now, for new users, you need to sign up. So it needs an email address and a password. Alright, we're almost done. So open your Tapo app, press the plus sign, choose C200 camera. Click next. Then just follow instructions. Okay, so we need to connect to our Tapo C200 camera. So to do this, let's go to the settings, then Wi-Fi, click Tapo Cam. Very easy. Now go back to Tapo app, wait for the camera to connect to your phone. Now that we are connected to our Tapo camera, let's connect to the Wi-Fi. The green light is blinking. It means it's connecting to your Wi-Fi. Done. Solid green means we're now connected to your Wi-Fi. Okay, so enter your device name. This is the name of your device on your app. You can enter anything. Do not worry, you can rename this later on your Tapo app. In this feature, you need to select the location of the Tapo C200 camera. Let's say you put your camera on your room. So just select bedroom icon and then click next. Congratulations! Your camera Tapo C200 is good to go. Okay, so we will install our microSD card so that we can save our recordings. No need to turn off the camera. Rotate the camera upwards. Insert the microSD card, gently push, and then you will hear a tick sound. Once done, go back to Tapo app, press the gear icon, microSD card. Now if your SD card is not readable or if it's new or reused, you can press the format. Sometimes it takes longer, it depends really. I will be teaching you how to remove the microSD card. Rotate the camera upwards. Press gently. You will hear a tick sound, and then pull out the microSD card.